Here's how you can make around $175 a day working from home with a brand new side hustle. So what we're going to do today is grab low cost domain names and then flip them for a higher price. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of websites to use and then one that you might not have heard of before, but it is from one of the most trusted and respected guys in the industry. So let's start with Flippa.com, because what we're going to do is have a look at what is already selling. So when we have an idea of the type of thing that people are buying, we will know what we need to buy in order to sell on. So we're going to use Flippa.com. We're also going to use GoDaddy because GoDaddy has an auction section. So we're going to have a look at the latest listings, the cheapest domain names that we can just swoop in and grab at a low cost and then sell for a higher price on Flippa. So let's go check out Flippa. Okay, on Flippa, we've got a few options here. So we've got websites, apps, domains, e-commerce, content. What we want to do is go to domains. Again, we've got loads of different options here, but I want you to go to Reserve Met. So if we click on that, this is going to tell us the website or the domain names, that have had their reserve met. So we know that people are interested in buying these particular domain names. Because if we have a look at the marketplace as a whole, then we're just going to get all types of results. And we only really want to focus on what's selling, so we know what to sell. If we have a look through the listings here, we can see that this one here, the current price is $86. If we go down here, $400, that's more like it, $100. If we go through this list, have a look at the type of domains that are selling. So buyasia.com, that's $600. directforex.com, over 1,000. That's really nice. So have a look at what is selling, and we can even sort by highest price. So if we click on that, then we can see that directforex.com, that's the most expensive one at the moment. Then buyasia, autoleasing.net, $400, cheapprinters.com. As you can see, they're fairly descriptive domain names. They're not vague, they're not ambiguous. They're very direct, they're very clear about what they are. So that might help you when it comes to choosing a domain name. So if we go to auctions.godaddy.com, here we have a whole list of domains that are currently for sale. So there we have the domain name, the current number of bids and offers, the traffic level, estimated value. This is important. The estimated value is based on an algorithm utilizing data GoDaddy has available to it to help estimate predicted sale price of domains. However, we do not make any guarantee or other promises to any results may be obtained from your purchase or sale of any domain. So bear that in mind, read the disclaimer before you buy anything here or on any other website, in fact. But there you can change how this list is presented. So if we want to go to price, we can click there. We can see that the most expensive one at the moment is this 33339.com. The current price is £20,000. There's 4 hours left. Obviously, I'm not saying invest £20,000 in a domain name. So we click price again, and now it's going to show us the lowest price domains. So this is interesting. earthdiary.com, current bids 2, traffic level 1, estimated value, that's almost £2,000 right there. The current price is $12 and there's 7 hours left. So someone might be able to swoop in and get a real bargain there. And then if we have a look at this one, $7 secrets, that's a really nice domain name. Estimated value £999, current price $12. So if I were you, I would spend a bit of time going through this list, make sure that it's listed by price so you can get some real bargains here. Check out the estimated value, just use that as a rough guide. Choose a few domains that you think will sell on Flippa, and then you can list them here. And you should, if you do it right, you should be able to make a really nice profit on the domains you sell. But I want to show you another website. So this is one of the hidden gems of the industry. It's actually run by a chap who is one of the most respected guys in the industry. You may have heard of him before, you may not have. He's called Rick Elwood. I'll show you his website now. It is imdomainer.com. And check this out. There's some really awesome domains on here. So it says domain broker and internet marketer Rick Elwood. As an investor in domains since 2008, that's very true. He has been around a long time. He's been in the industry for well over 10 years. So the wealth of knowledge and experience when it comes to domain names is just phenomenal. And he says, I have always had an end goal in mind for each domain I've invested in. Some of the domains have a website built and are ready to market. Check that out. Some of the domains have a website built and are ready to market. So we can search this through a keyword or domain name there. We can have a look through the different categories available, or we can have a look at premium domains. Now, okay, some of these are a little bit expensive, but if you see what the actual domain names are, I mean, fishtankheaters.com, that is such a great series of keywords for someone in the aquarium niche. Cashforscrapcars.com, beautiful domain name. That is valuable. But let me show you something. If we go up to domains, there's some absolute bargains on here. So 250onlineeveryday.com, $67. That's a steal. That's an absolute steal for a domain of that quality. I predict you could easily flip that on Flippa for a good profit. 60-minute empire, 2-week diet reviewed. Wow, builderallconsultant.com. These are really good domain names, and I'm going to guess that some of these have been aged as well, so they're going to rank better in Google. That is imdomainer.com by Rick Elwood. That's worth checking out. But listen, this side hustle does take a bit of work, and it's not passive income. So if you do want a passive income stream, I'm going to show you how one of my students made over £40,000 in his first 180 days online. I'm going to show you for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/180. And if you found this useful today, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too. Remember to hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Thanks for watching.